In today's fast-paced world, participating in focus groups online is a great and lucrative way to make some extra cash. In this video, I'm going to show you my research on the best online focus groups that you can join and start making money right now. The first one is called focusgroups.org. This platform offers a variety of focus group opportunities, both online and in person, with a user-friendly interface for easy browsing. The topics in this platform include finance, travel, video games, and consumer products. The participants joining this program can get from $50 to $250 per study, and there is a huge amount of $16 million paid out to participants up to now. The way you can join this program is that you can simply browse available focus groups on their website and apply directly for studies that interest you the most. Now let's move to the next one. The next one is called findfocusgroups.com. It's a great focus group since 2006, which covers a wide range of study topics. The topics again can include finance, sports, food, video games, travel, and more. And typically participants can get from $30 to $200 per study. You can join this website and search for focus groups by browsing on the city or state you are in, and also apply for studies that fit your interests. Now let's go to the next one, which is called American Consumer Opinion. It is one of the oldest focus group platforms which has millions of members worldwide. It covers a broad range of consumer-related topics and product tests, and also participants can typically earn from $10 to $50 per survey or focus group. Really easy, you need just to sign up and then you have to wait for their invitations to participate in their groups. Now let's move to the next one, which is called User Interviews. This is a platform that connects researchers with participants for different research opportunities, including focus group and usability testing. This platform ensures a wide range of insights by recruiting participants based on demographic and professional criteria. You can earn between $50 to $450 depending on the complexity or the duration of the study. The joining is really easy, you have just to sign up and then you'll be notified about the studies that match your profile. The next one in our list is called watchlab.com. It is a great platform that offers both in-person and online focus group opportunities focusing on consumer opinions for market research. You can participate from the comfort of your home or in person and provide feedback on different products or services. The payments could be ranging from $50 to $200 per sessions, with payments made immediately after in-person sessions or via check for online studies. The method to join is simple. You have to sign up for their website and apply for studies that match your interests and demographic. Now let's move to the next one, which is called apexfocusgroup.com. This platform acts like a search engine for paid focus groups. You can find many paid focus group opportunities listing both online and in-person studies. These opportunities include consumer product discussions and clinical trials, and participants can earn between $100 to $400 per focus group depending on the study's requirements. You can easily join their platforms and sign up and search for any focus group studies that match your interests. The next platform in our list is prolific.co. This is a great platform that connects participants and researchers for different academic or research studies. This platform is known for its transparency and fair pay. The participants can earn from $10 to $50 per study, and the payments are done through PayPal. The next one in our list is the highest paying platform, which is called Respondent.io. This platform connects participants with large companies seeking insights from professionals through focus groups, online surveys, and user interviews. This one requires some professional background or some specific skills in the fields of computer, software development, marketing, or executive roles. And the pay is really high. It's ranging from $100 to $700 per hour depending on your field or the nature of the study. So the way you can join this program is just to make a profile, sign up, and then you have to verify your employment using a work email and you will be matched with the studies that fit your demographic. Now let's move to the next one, which is called usertesting.com. In this platform, you as a participant will provide feedback on websites, apps, and prototypes. It is open to participants globally and it allows you to influence product development. When you join the program, you participate in usability testing and provide feedback through recorded sessions. The earning potential is that you can earn from $10 per 20-minute test to higher amounts for longer studies. The method to join is that you sign up and then you take a test to qualify and start participating in the studies. Now let's move to the last one, which is called focusgroup.com. This is known for its in-depth focus groups and market research studies, which offer both online and in-person opportunities. The topics included in this website is healthcare, technology, consumer products, and more. In this platform, you can earn from $50 to $150 per study, and you can get paid through PayPal or check. So you can join this program by signing up and participate in studies that match your interests or your profile. So participating in focus group is an excellent way to make some extra income these days by offering your honest opinion or feedback. Whether you are a professional want to use your skills or you're simply a person that want to share your honest opinions and helping market research, there is a focus group that match your needs. Thank you for watching this video up to now, and if you enjoyed, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.